Hello folks! Whether it's for a text back or getting a claim, waiting is always a bummer. So, it's a no-brainer that the waiting period should be minimal. But wait, what is this waiting period? Don't fear, Ouch is here, your favorite potato to simplify it for you. When you search for a health insurance policy, you will come across the term waiting period. There are three types of waiting periods: initial waiting period for specific diseases, PED waiting period. An initial waiting period is the amount of time you need to wait after buying a health insurance policy before you can receive claims and benefits under the policy from your insurer. Usually, this waiting period is 30 days. Also, here's an interesting fact for you. Accidental hospitalization is usually covered from day one, and there's no waiting period for that. Now, let's look at the waiting periods for specific diseases. Some diseases, like cataracts, arthritis, and hernia, are like high-maintenance friends. You will find these listed under specific diseases in a health insurance document. Like high-maintenance friends, these diseases require special care. So, there is a waiting period for these specific diseases that is different from the initial waiting period. Usually, this ranges from 1 to 2 years. So to make a claim to treat these specific diseases, the waiting period for specific diseases comes into play. The list contents vary as per the insured, so check carefully before buying the policy. Now, lastly, let's understand what the PED waiting period is. Many smart people often ask if pre-existing diseases or PED are covered by health insurance. The answer is yes, they are covered. But they have a separate waiting period called the PED waiting period for declared pre-existing conditions. First, let's understand what pre-existing diseases are. Pre-existing diseases like thyroid, hypertension, diabetes, or any condition, ailment, or injury diagnosed by a physician within 48 months prior to buying your first health insurance policy are termed as pre-existing diseases. To get a claim for these diseases, the PED waiting period is applicable, which is usually 4 years. The diseases that fall under PED may vary as per the insurer, so check carefully before buying the policy. Different companies have different waiting periods for health insurance. So, my pro tip for you is, when purchasing or renewing a health insurance policy, compare waiting periods and see which policy is worth the wait for you. Also, explore Digit's health insurance policy with the shortest waiting periods. Link in the description.